Good morning all of you. Yes beta, today we will start chapter 2 addition and subtraction. Chapter 2 addition and subtraction. You have done addition and subtraction in class 2 also and 3 also. Clear? Now in this class you will do addition and subtraction of bigger number. In this class you will do addition and subtraction of bigger number, means 4-digit number. You will do addition of 4-digit number. Addition without regrouping and addition with regrouping, means without carryover and with carryover. Addition तो सिंपल है ना? Addition means उसको प्लस करना. Okay, start your exercise. Exercise 2.1. A part you will do on the book and B part you will do on the notebook. Firstly, we will start A part. Chapter 2. First of all, you will write day and day. Clear? Everything you will mention. Chapter 2, exercise 2.1, A part. Your first question is 4,425, 4,351. You have to do addition. First of all, you will add ones place, after that tens place, after that hundreds place, after that thousand place. Ones place की addition करो पहले. 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 5 7, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 4 8. Clear? Similarly, question number 2 you will do yourself. Come on the question number 3. Question number 3, what you have 13,406, 65,092. You have to do addition. First of all, you will write the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Firstly, you will do addition of ones place. वन की पहले टर्न आती है, इधर से स्टार्ट करनी है, इधर से मत स्टार्ट करने लग जाना. क्लियर? वंस प्लेस. 6 plus 2 8, 0 plus 9 9, 4 plus 0 4, 3 plus 5 8, 6 plus 1 7. Clear? In this way you will complete question number 4. Now come on the question number 5. Your question number 5 is 219, 9,356, 53,988. You will do additions, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Firstly, you will do addition of ones place. 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 8 23, 2 carry. 8 plus 5 13, plus 1 14, plus 2 16, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6. So this one is your answer. Similarly, question number 6, 7 and 8 you will do yourself. Come on the question number 9. Question number 9, firstly you will write ones, tens, hundred, thousand. First हम ones place की करेंगे. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 6 21, 2 carry. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 2 15, 1 carry. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So this one is your answer. Beta, check it again. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12. You will write here 2. Clear? You will write here 2. ध्यान से करना है. Clear? Simple addition है. Now come on the B part. Arrange in column and add. पहले इनको ऐसे कॉलम्स में अरेंज करना है, जैसे ये अरेंज हुए हैं, फिर इसको ऐड करना है. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट बी पार्ट. योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल अरेंज इन कॉलम मेथड. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, 12,000, 409, 33,098. हाँ जी, यस. अब इसको क्या करना है? ऐड. पहले कॉलम में, फिर क्या करना है? ऐड. ओके. नाउ स्टार्ट. 9 plus 8 17, 1 carry. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 1 4. पहले 1s प्लेस की करनी है, फिर 10s की, फिर 100s की, फिर 1000, फिर 10,000. Clear? In this way you will do part B, question number 1. Similarly, question number 2 you will do yourself. Now come on the question number 3. Question number 3. Now firstly arrange these numbers in column. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 15,486, 21,786, 5,000. अब 5,000 भी नीचे आएगा. 5,437. अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं आता सो आप यहाँ पे भी लिख सकते हो 1s, 10s, 100,000, 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000. फिर यहाँ से देख के यहाँ पे इसमें फिल कर सकते हो कि यहाँ पे 1s में क्या है 6, फिर 10s में क्या है 8, फिर 100s में क्या है 7, 1000 में 1, 10,000 में 2. क्लियर? ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. नाउ स्टार्ट द एडिशन. अब प्लस करना है ना. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 7 19, 1 carry. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 1 20, 2 carry. 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 2 17, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 1 12, 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So your answer is 42,709. Clear? Similarly beta, in this way you will complete your question number 4. Now come on the question number 5. Firstly you will arrange in column 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. अब यहाँ पे हमने पहले 2 नंबर्स की एडिशन की, फिर हमने 3 नंबर्स की एडिशन की. नाउ वी विल डू एडिशन ऑफ 4 नंबर्स. क्लियर? ओके. 23,451. या फिर इधर से फिल करना स्टार्ट करेंगे तो 9 7 0 8 2 6 8 7 8 2. ऐसे कर लो. ठीक है? 1 4 3 2 1. After that you will do addition. Yes, firstly 1s place. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry. 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 4 24 plus 1 25, 2 carry. 5 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 2 16, 1 carry. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 9, 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So your answer is 92,657. This one is your answer. Similarly, you will do another parts. Clear? Hope you have understand this one exercise 2.1. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.